Alright. Okay, so ang unang tanong natin, how does DNS works and paano nag-work ang website? So ngayon may kita nyo sa screen na meron akong ginawang website. For those newbie, ito yung sinample naming website for WooCommerce and I created this. And paano to nag-work? Paano ako nakakreate ng website with using domain name and with using QuickPro. And that's how we are going to start. And ang una nating itatakal is about DNS kasi ang DNS, siya mismo ang utak, kumbaga, ng bawat website. Alright, so what is domain name system and how does it work? So DNS stands for domain name system. Alright, and domain name aka domain names are how we organize all of the websites and pages everyone visits on the web. So yan yung nakikita natin dito ngayon. Kagaya yan ng mga QuickPro, GoDaddy, HostGator, bawat website na create natin sa mga client and everything. Basta lahat ng nakikita mo sa internet, that's all a website. So paano to nag-work? And domain name, nag-start tayo sa pangalan, of course. Paano tayo nakakakuha ng pangalan, which is yung domain name mismo. So every time, kung manonotice nyo, every time na magsa-search tayo, may makikita tayong result like website, right? If we search on your name, for example, charina.com, Charina Acquire, may makikita kang result. And sa result na yon, alright, may mga website yan na kasama. O, yan mga yan. Itong nakikita nyo dito sa Google and sa iba't ibang browser, kumbaga. And nag-i-start yan by choosing your own domain name. So, what is domain name? And every domain name, kung may papansin nyo, it composed of words, numbers, or kung ano-anong mga pakulo. Kumbaga, yan kumbaga yung business website nyo. And like QuickPro, yan yung kanilang brand name or ang kanilang website. So, if you are going to create a website, imagine yourself creating your own website. Anong gusto nyong ipangalan doon? Or anong gusto nyong maging brand name nyo, kumbaga. So, yun yung tinatawag na domain name. And the domain name system, alright guys, is the universal naming system for assigning addresses to web pages and web servers. So, ano tong DNS na to? Guys, every domain name has its own DNS. And anong itsura nitong DNS na to? Imagine yourself having the phone, okay? Sa phone number, sa phone mo, meron kang contact information, right? And bawat number dyan, may kaakibat na pangalan, right? And that is, it's like a domain name, guys. So, meron kang specific IP address. So, imagine your contact information or your phone number as an IP address, okay? And may kaakibat na pangalan yan. So, every domain name has its own IP address. Kumbaga, guys, before pa nagkaroon ng domain name, puro DNS or puro IP address lang yung nare-read ng internet. Kaya kahit ang i-search mo sa internet ay IP address lang, okay, like 173.194.77.104, masa-search niya agad yung name na google.com. Naimbento lang ang domain name kasi para mas ma-easily read ng mga tao ang mga website. Kasi kung ikaw, kung sa'yo, sa sarili mo, magsa-search ka, kakabisaduhin mo pa ba yung IP address instead of the name? Kaya naimbento yung tinatawag na domain name. Okay? So, think of the DNS as one large phone. So, essentially, domain names are what we type in on our browser, okay, and visit a specific site without domain names. The internet would basically be useless. Oh, tama naman yan. Ano nga bang sinesearch mo sa internet? 'Di ba puro domain names or puro pangalan? So, yun yung tinatawag na domain name. And DNS is the IP address, kumbaga, madaming composition ng DNS na yan, yung domain name system. But ang idea niyan is every domain name has its own IP address. So, dun ka magsisimula, okay? Where can you register a domain name and what is the domain name registrar? So, domain names are alphanumeric aliases used to access websites. For example, Google's domain name is google.com. And their IP address is 192.168. 1111. So, sabi ko nga sa inyo guys, pagka sinerch ko ang IP address na 192, okay, .168.1.1, magsa-search agad yung Google's IP address or googles.com domain name. So, may iba't iba tayong mga registrar. Registrar is the company itself who offers domain name. So, sino-sino yung mga yan or saan ka makakabili ng pangalan or brand name or domain name mo. First is HostGator. HostGator is the current hosting company that I am in, guys. Dito ako nagtatrabaho and I was working before at GoDaddy pero mas malaki offer dito. Alright, so HostGator is known to be a web hosting company, but technically guys, nag-offer sila ng domain name pero reseller din sila ng mga domain names. Ang tinatawag na registrar yung mga talagang nag-offer ng domain name like GoDaddy.com. So GoDaddy.com guys is a company who owns a lot of domain name tapos binebenta nila. Okay? And may iba't ibang offer or may iba't ibang presyo ang domain name. So, dito sa GoDaddy, kung mapapansin nyo, alright, may website sila for Philippines, okay? Malaki kasi ang market nila sa Pilipinas, guys. And for you to be able to start your business, of course, online, you need to have your own domain name. So, paano tayo makakapag-search ng domain names? Dito sa GoDaddy, meron ka makikita dito sa top left corner of the screen, it says your domains. If you click on that, pwede kang mag-search ng sarili mong domain. For example, like my name. Search natin si acquire.com. So, that is my last name. Let's search for it. Okay? So, yan yung gusto kong business. Kumbaga, naiisip ko, acquire.com is my company, my future company. And, makikita nyo dito ngayon, guys, na ang mahal ng domain name ko or ng pangalan ko, which is 1 million. Kasi, bakit siya 1 million, guys? First of all, kapag ka mas maikli ang pangalan, alright, mas mahal, okay? Yan yung mga pagbebenta ng mga domain name. And makikita nyo dito ngayon na 1 million ang worth ng domain name na to. Guys, pangalan lang to ha, napakamahal niya. Pero may mga bumibili nito kasi nga malaki ang magiging resulta ng acquire.com eh. Napakaikli niya kasi magiging business yan, kumbaga. Alam na agad ng GoDaddy kung magkano i-invest nila para sa domain name na to. So, in order for you to get this domain, of course, you need to pay for the 1 million worth of price neto. Of course, I won't do that. Paano pagka, gusto nyo ng mura lang? Ang pinakamurang domain name actually is $17.99. So, magkano yon? So, I'll search for my own domain name. Tingnan natin kung magkano ang presyo niyan. Alright, pangalan lang to guys ha. That is a domain name. And ito ang pangalan ko, which is mas mura siya. 79 pesos lang siya actually guys. And makakahanap ka na ng 79 pesos na domain which is cherina.com. Kaso nga lang, may budol to guys kasi makikita nyo dito, for the first year with the 2-year registration, ito ang dapat mong bayaran. Pero kapag ka 1-year subscription ng 858 pesos, yun yung talagang original na price niya guys. Okay, so that is a domain name and what are the different registrars? Well, may iba't ibang registrar guys ng mga domain, okay? Registrar, as mentioned, is a company who own domain names and resells them, okay? So yun yung tinatawag na registrar. Sorry, water break. Okay, going back to my discussion, that's just as an example of domain name, okay? Going back right here, guys. How does DNS work? So, for example, nakabili na ako ng domain, okay? I have my own domain. Paano nag-work to? So, let's watch a video. Alright, mas madali kasi pag may video na tayo. Here, on how does DNS works, kasi mas magaling to mag-English, Chos. Alright, iloload ko lang yung ating video right here. Hold on. Alright, paste ko lang tong video na to. Let's all watch how does DNS works. Para mas malaman nyo pa or mas ma-explain pa sa inyo or mas may paliwanag. Tama, mas ma-explain sa inyo kung paano nag-work ang domain. Alright, let me just wait for it to load up, and here we go. Okay, medyo mabagal ang internet. Just hold on a second. Okay.
The DNS, or Domain Name System, is a distributed system that resolves host names into IP addresses and other information using a series of questions or queries and their returned answers. It's a part of the core internet infrastructure, and the internet as we know it would come to a stop if DNS were broken in such a way that no name resolution occurred.
Walang audio. Paano i-share yung audio neto? Ba't kaya walang audio? Pero naririnig yun naman ako, di ba? Hold on, guys.
Yes po.
Paano i-on yung audio dito? Alam niyo ba? Share audio. Let me just share, new share. Hindi naman ako naka-mute. Meron na ba?
DNS functions like a phone book for the internet. The system maintains a directory of domain names and
Wala pa din? O meron na?
Wala pa rin po.
Baka sa Zoom settings.
Zoom settings. Let's see. Panira talaga tong Zoom minsan eh. Record this, disable, hide panel, share computer sound. Ayan, share computer sound tayo. Share computer sound. Okay, let's try. Okay, naririnig yun na?
The DNS, or Domain Name System, is a distributed...
Okay, let's start.
The DNS, or Domain Name System, is a distributed system that resolves host names into IP addresses and other information using a series of questions or queries and their returned answers. It's a part of the core internet infrastructure, and the internet as we know it would come to a stop if DNS were broken in such a way that no name resolution occurred. DNS functions like a phone book for the internet. The system maintains a directory of domain names and translates them to Internet Protocol or IP addresses. For example, when you type in a URL such as mycompany.com, your computer uses DNS to retrieve the website's IP address of 159.203.57.3. The recursive server is the first server contacted for the initial DNS query. Once the recursive server receives the correct DNS information about an IP address from other name servers, the recursive server will cache the information. End-user computers and devices are almost always provided a recursive server upon connecting to the network. Almost all recursive servers also handle the caching of DNS responses. The authoritative name servers are the ultimate authority for a zone. All other DNS servers on the internet should go to them for information about the zone. When you register a domain name, you set the DNS for your domain to point to your authoritative name servers. Not only does it hand out resource records for a zone, but also tells caching servers how long to cache a particular response, called time to live, or TTL. Because DNS is used to abstract the logical name of the website from the physical location of the server, or the IP address, it can also be used to abstract the logical name from multiple IP addresses to provide redundancy and better performance and scalability. And these IP addresses can now be served from multiple physical locations from your data center to cloud service providers and CDNs, often located in geographically distributed locations, strategically located near your users. DNS with intelligent response can steer user traffic to the optimal endpoint based on a variety of policies and inputs, such as the availability of the endpoint, the load across your environment, the geographic location of the users, or the performance of the path between the user and those assets. Want to know more? Contact us today.
Okay, and that's a wrap. There you go. So that's how DNS works. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, merong tatlong kumpanya dyan. One is the user, tatlong people na involved. One is the user, which is you, na mag-o-own ng domain name. And then, yung binili mong domain, and then yung domain na yon, kapag ka may website ka na, magkakaroon ka ng sariling IP address which will go to the internet. And domain name cannot function, okay guys, without anything or any web hosting company. So kumbaga, what if bumili ka ng domain name? Okay, binili mo yung charina.com. O anong susunod? Kumbaga, ang binili mo lang talaga is yung domain name itself. Now, papaano mo siya lalagyan ng website? Papaano mo siya lalagyan ng email? So, that's for our next topic. So, doon, yun yung idea ng DNS, kumbaga. Alright? Still following, guys.
Yes,
Okay, very good.
Yes, Coach.
Now, guys, as mentioned a while ago, every domain name has its own DNS, alright, and zone file. Sa DNS na yon, guys, may tinatawag na mga records or zone file. Not only that it has an A record, okay, A record stands for the IP address, meron din siyang NS record, okay, meron kang NS record, which is this one. Hold on, ano nangyari? Lagyan natin ng... Alright, so meron kang NS record. NS record pertains, okay, to your company, okay, to your company, web hosting company. Kapag ka bumili ka, for example, ng website kay QuickPro, okay, bibigyan ka niya ng name servers, okay? Alright, so yan yung magiging connection mo between the domain name, alright, and your web hosting company. Next is MX record. Guys, MX record, okay, MX record pertains to email record, okay? If you have, for example, an email to your web hosting company, kumbaga bumili ka din ng email kay QuickPro, alright? Nag-i-stand yan kay MX record and i-connect mo lang yan kay
Coach,
domain
hindi
name.
mo po na share yung nasa screen mo.
Last screen.
Ay, sorry. Ayan, can you see it right now, guys?
Okay
Buti
na
na
po.
lang sinabi nyo. Okay, iba pala yung nasa-share ko kanina. Let me start one more time. Okay, so guys, this is what it looks like. This is the DNS record that I was referring to, okay? Every domain name has its own DNS record. So magtataka kayo, paano nagko-connect yung domain name into your web hosting or into your website? Meron yan tinatawag na NS record, which is name servers, okay? So yung name servers na to, kanino to makukuha? Ipro-provide yan ng web hosting company mo. For example, bumili ka ng website kay QuickPro, bibigyan ka niya ng name server. At for example, ito yung kanyang name server. Ito, kumbaga, yung i-connect mo sa domain mo into your web hosting para ma-read ng internet yung website mo, okay? Still following? And next is MX record, okay? What is MX record? MX record pertains to an email record, kumbaga. So, siya yung magko-connecta naman sa email mo na ginawa mo through a different web hosting company. For example, ang question is, bumili ka ng email provider kay QuickPro kasi ang provide ni QuickPro is web hosting and also emails, okay? Meron ka ng create na email sa ibang company. For example, bumili ka ng email connected to your domain name to Google's G Suite. Paano mo maiko-connect yon sa website mo? Kukunin mo lang yung MX record na provide ng email provider mo, for example, sa G Suite, and then ilalagay mo lang siya sa domain name mo. And mag-work na yung email mo. And then next is A record, okay? A record stands for the website. So ito yung sinasabi ko. Every domain name has its own IP address kapag ka, for example, meron ka ng website, alright? Yan. CNAME naman, guys, CNAME is for subdomain names. So what are subdomain names? Subdomain names is like an alternative or alias ng domain name mo. For example, my website is ecommerce.jechapche.com. Mapapansin nyo dito guys na e-commerce, ayan yung isang word, then jechapche.com. My specific domain or primary domain name is jechapche.com. Malakas ba yung background noise? Sorry.
Yan po.
Super rinig. Sorry. Medyo maingay yung doggy. Alright, so ito yung domain name ko guys. And nilagyan ko siya ng subdomain. So ito yung kumbaga yung subdomain ko mismo, which is yung ecommerce.com. So that is a subdomain name, okay? Alright, and nagpa-pertain siya dito sa record na to ng CNAME record. So, yan yung tinatawag na CNAME record, okay? And kung mapapansin nyo guys, every domain name or every website has www. Www is a subdomain name as well. So, eto siya. Domain name, www. Connected to your CNAME, and then the IP address itself, okay? So, that's how a domain name system works. Pag may mali kang record dyan, hindi gagana yung website mo, okay? So, every domain name has its own domain name system. Alright, so next is basic concept of DNS. So, eto yung sinasabi kanina dun sa video, na ikaw ang user, okay? And then, bumili ka ng website, okay? Bumili ka ng website kay QuickPro, okay? Si QuickPro is, nandito siya sa gilid. Hold on. Let me just change this. Okay, for example, ito yung company na QuickPro. Binigyan kanya ng name servers, which is yung name servers ng website na binili mo. Magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong DNS, okay? Ayan na siya. And then, ito yung magiging website mo. For example, ikaw tong tao na to, tapos bumili ka ng domain name. Tapos, nag-create ka na ng website, alright? And mapupunta na dito sa internet ang website mo. Kumbaga, cycle lang siya. Okay? Ikaw na gumawa ng website, mariread ng website mo or domain name mo ang DNS, and then pabalik kay QuickPro, and then pabalik sa internet. Medyo nakakalito lang siya, pero guys, I think you, are you still following sa concept ng DNS? Nakaka-overwhelm ba siya? Pero guys, don't worry. Okay, so basic lang naman yan. Basic pa lang to actually. Alright, so ganito yung concept ng DNS, alright? So every domain name, just your idea, every domain name has its own IP address and DNS, alright? Okay, and I'll give you some examples later kung paano nag-work to. Okay, what is web hosting? So, every domain name, like as mentioned, hindi yan magfa-function kung wala kang web hosting company. Alright, so yung web hosting company mo is QuickPro. For example, bumili ka ng website kay QuickPro as well as your domain name. Sila ang tinatawag na web hosting. So, web hosting is a service that allows organizations and individuals to post a website or web page onto the internet. So, sila kumbaga yung company mo na magpa-publish or hindi naman magpa-publish, magpro-provide ng server sa'yo para ma-publish mo yung website mo on the internet, okay? Maraming malalaking web hosting company actually. Okay, concept of web hosting. Alright, so makikita nyo dito, kapag ka may web hosting company ka, may iba't ibang service na mapro-provide nila sa'yo, okay? So, one is website. Hold on, gigilid ko lang to. Ayan, yan na nga lang. Okay, one is website, guys. Which is kung saan ka nagre-create ng website tool. For example, WordPress, cPanel, Joomla, website builder. Pero no-provide yan ng web hosting company mo. As mentioned, for example, ang web hosting company mo is QuickPro. Okay, dito ka bumili ng website. Dito ka bumili ng domain name, etc. Ang provide ni QuickPro ay tool for you to create a website. Not only the tool for you to create a website, but also for you to create an email account. Okay, sa kay QuickPro, pwede ka rin mag-create ng email accounts. Pag sinabing email accounts, guys, pwede mong gamitin yung domain name mo to create your own email account. For example, my domain name is jechapche.com, right? I'm going to create my own email, which is magiging admin@jechapche.com. So that's how you can create an email using your own domain name. So provide din yan ni QuickPro. FTP files and upload, provide din yan ni QuickPro. Okay, so FTP files, I haven't discussed that, but we'll tackle that if we still have time. Then website, as mentioned, provide niya ang service for you to publish your website on the internet. Okay, databases, guys, ito kumbaga yung mind din ng buong website mo, kumbaga. Yung domain name mo is your mind into web hosting or for your website, pero ang database is also the main brain of your para gumana yung website mo, okay? And not your email but your website only. Okay, so the concept of web hosting, a web host or web hosting service provider is a business that provides the technologies and services needed for the website or web page to be viewed on the internet. Ayan, madaming example ng mga web hosting company. Not only QuickPro, guys, alright? QuickPro is a reseller actually ng HostGator. And kasi ang QuickPro, ang motto ni QuickPro is to help out Filipinos para maging affordable yung web hosting or makapag-create ka ng your own website on the internet. Kasi,
Also, question po.
yes po.
What if you have a client that wants you to make a website other than QuickPro, on a different web hosting website? Possible ba yan?
Ano po, hindi ko po maintindihan kasi parang mahangin or mahangin. Chat na lang Ma'am Kathleen para ano. Sige po. Okay, so I think ang question ni Ma'am is, what if may client ka, correct? May client ka na may sariling web hosting company, is that right? Okay, let's wait for Ma'am Kathleen's chat. Or balikan na lang kita after ng discussion para tuloy-tuloy yung discussion natin. Alright, so just to continue guys, different web hosting companies, as mentioned, one is QuickPro, okay? QuickPro is a reseller of HostGator. Kasi sa HostGator, mahal ang website guys, mahal. Mahal doon, aabutin ka siguro ng mga 3,000, hindi lang 3,000, mga 4,000 ganon, tapos isang website lang makakreate mo. Si QuickPro kasi guys is a reseller of HostGator as mentioned, kasi ang ginagamit ni QuickPro ay dedicated server. So para siyang may sarili siyang HostGator company, parang ganon yung idea. Okay, so not only HostGator is a web hosting company, meron ding GoDaddy, nag-offer din sila ng web hosting or domain name at saka for you to create your own website. Meron din sa Bluehost. Actually, magka-company to. Nasa isang umbrella lang tong company na to. Ayan, nasa isang umbrella lang sila. Parang pangit tuloy ng drawing ko. I-resign ko na nga lang. Alright, iPage is also a web hosting company. Okay. And also, WP Engine is a web hosting company. So, DreamHost is also a web hosting company. Pag sinabing web hosting company guys, sila yung nag-o-offer sa'yo para makapag-create ka ng website, okay, including your domain name. So, question is, paano po kapag yung client ko, nakabili na siya ng domain name kay GoDaddy, okay, tapos, web hosting wala pa siya. Okay? So, ang i-offer nyo siguro, I would suggest ay kay QuickPro. Okay? Si QuickPro na lang i-offer mo kasi mas makakamura ka kay QuickPro, tapos pwede mong patungan yung kanyang presyo sa QuickPro. So, I'll give you some examples later on kapag natapos na natin to. Alright? So, just to provide you some examples kung ano yung mga presyo. Alright, so how to sign up web hosting and domain name in QuickPro. So, ito na yung sinasabi ko. Alright? So, go to your QuickPro website and then go to QuickPro Shop My Shopify Collections.com purchase. So, this is an example, guys, on how you can register on QuickPro. Okay? So, let me just skip this. Skip ko lang to. Punta tayo ngayon sa website ni QuickPro. So, for those who have or who has like a QuickPro website, this is how you can sign up for a QuickPro web host as domain name. Kasi si QuickPro, ang offer niya is domain name together with the website tool itself or the web hosting that I mentioned. Alright, so let's just wait for it to load. Just for a second. Lumabo ba yung mukha ko? Ayan. Mas malinaw na. Okay, so I'll answer the questions later on once na mapakita ko to sa inyo para mas malinaw, okay? Alright, so i-load ko lang siya and I think nakalagin na ako kay QuickPro. You guys can see my screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay, i-load up ko lang to. Alright, so give me just a second. Medyo load up pa din siya hanggang ngayon. Okay, so I think I'm logged in right now to HostGator tuloy, to QuickPro. Medyo loading lang siya ng bahagya kasi ang tagal ko na siyang di na-open. Let's go back to the QuickPro itself. Okay, let's load up the QuickPro website. And lahat dito, I think, member ng QuickPro, right? So this is how you can purchase a web hosting company. And I'll show you what it looks like, kung anong magiging itsura ng mabibili nyo kay QuickPro, okay? Alright, let me just first log in. So I'll log into my QuickPro website. Hold on. Medyo mabagal siya ng kaonte. Alright, so let me just click I'm not a robot. May puso naman ako kaya hindi ako robot. Okay, hold on. Let me just log in. Okay, hold on guys. Alright, so what you can see on my screen is my profile. Alright, makikita nyo dito yung mga classes schedule, yung mga application. I think you're very familiar with this. And for you to create or for you to sign up for the web hosting, okay, pag wala pa kayong, pag ayaw nyo pa, pwede naman kayong maglaro muna ng Webdev, which is here on the Webdev playground. I think you can make a website here, okay? But on how you can create your own website for your clients or for your own business itself, you need to go to the QuickPro store, okay? Click on the QuickPro store. Alright, once you click on the QuickPro store, may iba't ibang ino-offer si QuickPro, which is digital files, template packages, and website purchase. So, eto yung binigay sa akin ni QuickPro. Alright, and dito ka din pwedeng mag-register. As you can see here, guys, it's $2,999, okay? So, for the whole year na yan, guys, for the whole year na yan, meron ka ng domain name and meron ka ng web hosting for the whole year subscription. So, paano nga ba yon? Okay? The website is 100% secure and functional, okay? Features 4 times faster, secure, ready, install HTTPS. You can get your own cPanel, unlimited pages, subdomain names. Ayan, payment method will be done per year. Here are the rules. First time purchase. If it's your first time to purchase this website, be sure to send an email or receipt along with your desired website name. So, pagka first time mong mag-purchase, okay, dito ka lang, pupunta ka lang sa email nila. I think you need to send out an email. I don't know what their email is, okay. Pupunta ka lang sa email nila and ito yung ilalagay mo, okay. Hold on. Load ko lang yung ating PowerPoint. Okay. Alright, so let's load it up. Loading pa rin siya. So for $2,000 and $999, you can get your own domain name and your own website. So sabi dito ni QuickPro, hold on. Nag-lag pa siya, nakakainis. Okay, sabi dito ni QuickPro, give us 3 options for your domain name. Domain name priority 1, domain name priority 2, and domain name priority 3. Magtataka kayo, bakit tatlo yung hinihingi ni QuickPro? Kasi guys, not every domain name is already available. Kagaya nung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. Acquire.com is very expensive, okay? Hindi yan i-offer ni GoDaddy or kahit anong web hosting company ng free. Alright? So, you need to give 3 options to to QuickPro for you to have your own domain name. Kasi, for example, gusto kong mag-register ng charina.com. Paano ko makikita kung available siya? We have a tool, okay, that you can use, okay, which is whois.com. This is not a HostGator tool, guys, ha. Kumbaga, general information lang to for you to check if the website is available or the domain name is available or not. You can go either godaddy.com or hostgator.com kung available ba siya. Let's just go to hostgator.com. Mas easy. Okay, you can go to hostgator.com, alright? And let's see if the domain name is available. Kasi nga, as mentioned, reseller si Quick Pro ng HostGator. Go to the domain names here. On the top right corner of the screen, click on domains, alright? And then you can see right here, buy a domain. Pero hindi kayo dito magbabay ng domain mahal ang domain name dito. So let's see, let's type in charina.com. If I want charina.com, is it available? Let's see Let's click on search. Okay, para hindi na hassle sa inyo, kumbaga, hindi na kayo mag-iisip kung available ba tong domain name na to, or taken na ba siya, or hindi. Ganon, parang kumbaga nga, sa tao din, kung malalaman mo dito guys, kung pwede lang makita, malalaman mo dito, it's like Facebook, malalaman mo kung taken na ba yung tao, kung naka-in relationship na sila. Okay, dito din sa HostGator, malalaman mo kung taken na ba yung domain name, kapag ka sinabi niyang, sorry, charina.com is unavailable. Guys, yes, I'm unavailable. So, sabi dito, it's unavailable. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo na siya pwedeng ma-register. May-ari na ng domain. Hindi mo na pwedeng kunin pa. Back off, kumbaga. So, ibig sabihin, hindi mo na to pwedeng kunin, okay? So, mag-iisip ka na naman ng another domain name. Ano yung gusto ko pa? So, let's type in my whole name, which is charina.com. And then, the HostGator portal will search for the result kung available ba siya o hindi. Ayan. So, congratulations. Your domain name is available. So, ibig sabihin nito, guys, pwede mo nang i-register si domain name mo. As you notice, ito yung presyo niya sa gilid. So, $12.95 plus $14.95. Ang total niyan is $27.90. And that is just for the domain name itself, guys. Okay? Domain name lang yan. Tignan nyo naman kung gaano kamahal yan. Magkano to? I think it's more than mga 2,000 na aga. Hindi naman. Magkano to? Mga 1,600 ganon. Tama ba? So, ganyan yung presyo ng domain name. Unlike Quick Pro, okay, let me just give you an example. Paano kapag gusto ko, ayaw ko kay Quick Pro, gusto ko ng iba. So, makikita nyo dito, si HostGator, nag-offer din siya ng domain name as well as your web hosting itself, okay? Meron din siyang sarili. Ito yung ino-offer ni HostGator. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, mas mahal kasi dito kasi nga international siya. I think wala pa siya sa Pilipinas. Alright, ito yung ino-offer ni HostGator. This is not Quick Pro, this is the HostGator. Okay? So, makikita nyo dito, shared hosting siya. Ang tinatawag na shared web hosting, guys, okay? May sariling server si HostGator, okay? And kumbaga may sarili din siyang disk usage. For example, ang disk space niya is 300 gig si HostGator. Sinabing shared hosting siya, tinatawag siyang shared hosting kasi makikipag-share ka sa ibang customer. Ang mangyayari niyan, may limited na space lang na ibibigay sa'yo si HostGator. Pag di mo nagamit yung ibang space, ibibigay sa ibang customer or gagamitin ng ibang customer yung ibang space mo. So, ganyan yung website strategy ng web hosting company. At makikita nyo dito, $2.75 a month, sinabi, diba? It's 60% off. That's not true, guys. This is true if you're going to get 3-year plan. 3 years, okay. So, magkano yon? Hindi ko din alam kung magkano yon. And this is for domain name itself. So, ganyan kamahal kapag hindi ka kay Quick Pro kumuha. Makikita mo dito yung talagang totoong presyo niya. So, 36 months if you're going to purchase the 3-year plan. So, $2.75 times, times 36, ganon. And, hatchling plan lang to, guys. Ibig sabihin ng hatchling plan, mababa lang yung feature niya. Hindi kagaya ng ino-offer ni Quick Pro. Okay, hindi kagaya ng kay Quick Pro na mas mabilis, 4 times faster, as he said here. Totoo naman na 4 times faster siya actually. You get your own cPanel and meron ka ng SSL agad. Sa sa HostGator, binabayaran mo lahat yan. So, ganyan yung magiging presyo niya compare sa ibang web hosting company and compare to Quick Pro. So, for you to begin building your own website, okay guys, you need to get your own website or you need to get your own web hosting web hosting application like what we have on QuickPro. So for example, guys, going back, nakapag-provide ka na ng domain name kay QuickPro, naisip mo na yung tatlong domain name, okay? Meron ka ng domain name 1 option, domain 2 option, domain 3 option. What if nakita mo na available silang lahat? Hold on, may nag-play.
The DNS, or domain name system, is a distributed...
Sorry. Okay, so, for example, na nakapagpili ka na and lahat doon available. So, sasabihin mo lang naman na priority 1, kaya may priority 1, una nilang titignan is yung nilagay mo sa priority 1. Priority 2, kung hindi available si priority 1, pupunta sila kay priority 2. Pag hindi available both, of course, kay priority 3 sila mag-check kung ano yung isa pang domain name. Paano pag lahat to hindi available, lahat ng tinignan mo hindi available? Mag-email na naman sila sa'yo. So, it says right here, submit only non-premium domain names with domain names extension .com, .site, .org, at saka .tech, saka .biz. So, yan yung mga pwede mo lang nailagay kay QuickPro, okay? Kasi mahal na yung iba, mahal na yung .online. I think it's $79 yung .online. So, magkano na yun? Domain name lang yun Okay, next is, once you fill it up, eto na yung magiging next option mo. After mo makapagbayad kay QuickPro ng $2,999 peso, $2,000, sorry, 2,000 peso, 2,999 pesos, okay, eto na yung makukuha mo. Ibibigay na nila sa'yo yung login mo, okay, cPanel username, cPanel password, your own password, ayan. So, ibibigay nila lahat sa'yo yun. Okay? Magkakaroon ka na din ng your own WordPress website and everything. Okay? So, let's try to log into my cPanel. Okay? So, for example, binigyan na nila ako ng sarili kong cPanel. Okay? Ito yung magiging itsura ng iyong website or ito yung magiging itsura ng product mo. So, let me go to my domain name which is cpanel.jetchapche.com. So, ito na yung binili ko kay QuickPro. jetchapche.com is my domain name na binili ko kay QuickPro. Okay, let me just log in. Ano nga ba yung password ko dito? Okay, hindi ko alam kung tama ba yung password ko. Mali. Ito pala. And my password is... my password is... Check na natin. Yon. So, yun na yung password ko. So, yun yung magiging login credentials mo, okay? And eto na yung magiging itsura ng web hosting mo. Meron ka ng file manager, meron ka ng image, meron ka ng mga FTP accounts, pwede ka na ding mag-backup ng file mo, pwede ka na ding mag-PHP My Admin. Ayan, ang dami mong pwedeng gawin dito, guys. Pwede kang mag-add-on ng multiple domains. Ayan, nag-add-on ako ng multiple domain names ko dito. May kita mo dito yung disk usage mo. Ayan, bandwidth, etc. May kita mo dito yung domain name mo, general information sa right corner of the screen, and yung sinasabi kong IP address. So, meron kang shared IP address, okay? So, pag sinabing shared IP address, ito yung IP address ni QuickPro, okay? So, binigyan ka niya ng your own IP address, which is ito, 162.241.85. So, copy natin to. Tingnan natin kung may masasearch siya using domain name lang. Ito yung sinasabi kanina nung video. Pag sinearch mo yung domain, may magpapakitang, ayan, sorry, default. Suspended na ata, sabi. CGI. And then, naka-default siya, webmaster. So, ito yung magpapakita. Since meron na tayong sariling domain name, di mo na kailangan gamitin to. Ito na yung isa-search mo agad. Let's log in. There you go. Meron ka ding ditong domains. Ito guys, yung sarili mong domain name. Okay, ano pa ba? Email accounts. Pwede kang mag-create ng sarili mong email. And yung tinatawag na DNS guys, magpapakita yan here sa DNS Zone Editor. So, dito mo makikita kung anong magiging itsura ng DNS file mo, ng domain name mo. So, makikita mo dito, I have two domain names. Let's click on one. Hold on, let me just manage that. Okay, ito yung iba't ibang record, DNS record. So, this is my IP address, alright? 162.241.139.85. And, This is my MX record for my email. Okay. This is for my, ayan, mail.jetchapche.com is my subdomain name. Pag sinerch ko to, dapat may magpakitang page. Okay. So, ito yung kanyang subdomain names. Alright? So, nagpo-function yan kapag ka naglagay ka ng isang word dito plus your domain name. That's called a subdomain name. Okay? So, pwede ka mag-create ng multiple subdomain names. Tapos, mag-install ka ng iba't ibang WordPress doon. So, ganun mo pwedeng magawa yung subdomain name mo. Okay? And cPanel, ayan, ito yung iba't ibang DNS record na sinasabi ko. May mali lang na isa dito, guys. Ibig sabihin, masisira na yung website mo. So, do not touch anything here unless you know what are the records na kailangan mong i-change dito, okay? So, question. What if I have a client, nakahanap na ako ng client, okay? Tapos, mag-uumpisa pa lang siya. And he needs an assistant on how he can make a website. So, offeran mo siya ngayon. So, it's either pwede mong i-offer si 2,999 pesos. Quick, cPanel plus your own domain name, okay? I-register nyo lang, tanungin nyo lang si customer nyo kung ano ba yung gusto mong pangalan, o ilista mo to, ganto ganyan. But, it's up to you if you would like to give this, of course, or diskarte mo na kung tataasan mo or papatungan mo. Alright? Then, he will get his own cPanel, ito, and dito ka makakapag-create ng sarili mong website, alright? So, dito sa inyong own cPanel. And guys, you can install different platform here. So, punta ka lang sa quick installs, pwede ka na mag-install ng WordPress, okay? So, you can offer your client, we have a WordPress here, we have a Joomla, whatever platform you want, we can offer that. Low price, kamo. Tapos, syempre, iba pa yung bayad sa'yo mismo na magka-create ng website, okay? Alright? Okay, next question is, what if si customer meron na siyang domain name kay GoDaddy, okay? Bumili siya ng domain kay GoDaddy, tapos wala pa siyang website. Guys, you can do that, alright? For example, meron na siyang domain name nga kay GoDaddy. Okay? Ang sasabihin nyo lang kay customer, sige, bibigyan kita ng website dito, ay re-registeran kita ng website kay QuickPro. Ito na, offer mo to, of course, or patungan mo, something like that. You will get your own domain name or your own cPanel. Okay? Sabihin mo lang kay QuickPro na may sarili ng domain name yung customer mo. And then, he will give you like your own name servers. Okay? Dito nyo makikita yung own name servers nyo, guys, ha. Sa cPanel, okay, once na nakabili na kayo ng cPanel, makikita nyo dito yung name servers. Asa na ba yun? Ay, hindi pala nakalagay dito. Ibibigay sa inyo yun ni QuickPro. Let me just click on this server information. Hold on. Tingnan natin kung magpapakita dito. Name servers. Alright, so just for a second. Mimute ko lang kasi may naririnig akong background noise. Okay, so ibibigay sa inyo yon ni QuickPro. Sabihin nyo lang na meron na akong domain name, I just need the cPanel kung saan ako pwedeng mag-create ng website. Now, what if gusto mong gamitin yung binili mo kay QuickPro, okay, na cPanel, and gusto mong bigyan lang or gawan lang ng WordPress website si customer? Guys, pwede yon, i-add-on mo lang si domain sa QuickPro. Kasi kay QuickPro, pwede kang mag-add-on ng multiple domains, am I right? Tama, di ba? Hindi siya limited. Ang alam ko kay QuickPro, pwede kang mag-add ng multiple domains, correct?
Yes po, subdomains.
There you go. So, you can add here the domain name. Click on add-on domain. Okay, kagaya ng akin, itatype ko lang dito. Tinype ko lang yung savedivebooks.com. And then, paano siya nag-appear dito or paano siya gumana? Ang ginawa ko, guys, change ko yung name servers. So, sino ang kukontakin mo para maibigay sa'yo yung name servers na yan na sinasabi? Of course, kukontakin mo si QuickPro. Okay? Tanungin mo si QuickPro, ano po yung name servers namin? Okay? Pag binigay na sa'yo NS1, NS2, ganon, okay? Just go here. Hold on. This is how you can view a name servers, guys. Whois.com. Whois.com is really helpful when it comes to checking which company does the domain name belongs to. Okay? Kung sino yung nag-offer ng domain name na yan. Hold on. Okay, ita-type lang natin for example, si savedibooks.com. Okay, yan. So, I'll give you an example, savedibooks.com. Alright, makikita nyo dito na meron siyang name servers at meron yung tinatawag na registrar, yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. So, ang registrar ko dito is Launchpad. Yan yung company na nag-offer sa akin ng domain. Okay. What I did was, kinontak ko si registrar. Sabi ko kay registrar, change my name servers please into ns1.quickpro.site and ns2.quickpro.site. And then, automatically guys, after 24 to 48 hours, nakakonect na agad yung domain name mo kay cPanel, okay? Kasi kapag ka nag-add-on ka ng domain name dito, for example, let's try to create a domain name ha. Example domain name lang. Mag-isip kayo ng domain. Let's see. Ang ita-type ko is, let's say, toolfix.com. Meron na bang nagmamay-ari nito? Check natin. Okay, so yan. Toolfix.com. So, sinabi dito, binili niya yung domain kay Public Domain Registry, which is not a Quick Pro. And yung name servers niya ay na kay Whois. For example, nabili niya to kay Whois. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin dito, guys, you can also view who owns the domain name, ha? Ito, nagmamay-ari kay Rosemary Estrada. May contact number siya dito. Ala ka, lagot. Okay, may email din siya. Guys, you need to have your own privacy protection para ma-hide tong information na to, ah. Okay.
Yan.
Yes, and it's exposed right here. As you can see, exposed yan all over the internet. Kahit sino pwedeng mag-access na to. Okay, my example is, paano kapag ka nabili ko si toolfix.com, okay, nabili ko siya, or hindi ko siya nabili, basta gusto ko lang yung domain name, i-add ko lang siya sa cPanel. Okay, i-add ko lang siya ha, add ko lang siya. And then, add on domain. Okay, hayaan mo lang si subdomain, huwag mong lagyan si document root, automatic na yan. Add on natin sa domain. Kapag ba in-add ko si, the add-on domain name toolfix.com has been created, kapag ka ba in-add ko si domain name dito, pag mamay-ari ko na ba yung domain, or masa-search ko na ba, or kaya ko na bang kontrolin si website? The answer is no. Kasi, sa name servers niya, yung name servers niya, guys, hindi nakakonect kay HostGate, or sorry, kay QuickPro. So, eto yung makikita mo kapag ka in-add mo yung domain, okay? So, that's how a domain name and DNS works, guys. That's really critical. Hindi porket yung name lang, okay, ma-add mo na siya dito sa cPanel. Hindi porket lahat ng domain ma-add mo kay cPanel. Hindi ibig sabihin nun, mama-manage mo na din siya, okay? The only way for you to manage a domain name is for you to get your own name servers, okay? At ang name servers na tinutukoy na yan, ino-offer lang yan ng mga web hosting company, okay? What if, guys, meron ng, okay, another scenario, what if si customer mo, si client mo ay meron ng web hosting company? For example, meron na siyang hostgator.com, nakakonect yung domain niya kay hostgator.com, meron siyang account kay HostGator, okay? Ang gagawin mo lang naman dyan, guys, okay, ang gagawin mo lang naman, hihingin mo siya, of course, yung login credentials. It's either ibibigay niya sa iyo yung WordPress website or yung cPanel login. Okay? Madalas kasi ang binibigay ng client mo is cPanel login. Okay? And ikaw na bahala mag-manage nun. Ikaw na bahalang mag-change ng name servers. Ikaw na bahalang mag-edit ng domain name. Okay, another example. What if yung domain name na toolfix.com, okay, is your client, okay? And nag-create ka ng website niya using your own domain name. Paano mo ngayon i-connect? Tapos may email ang scenario dito, si toolfix.com may naka-register siya kay publicregistry.com na domain. Tapos meron siyang email kay publicregistry.com domain. So, going back to the DNS, yung MX record ay pertains to the email, right? So, yung MX record, for example, nakakonect kay domainregistry.com. Tapos, yung website niya is nasa'yo. Okay? Anong gagawin mo dyan? Hindi mo po pwedeng i-change bigla si name servers. Bakit, coach? Yun yung way para para ma-host ko yung website or para ma-access ko yung website. Yes, that is a way, okay? That is a way for you to connect your domain name to your website. But if the client has a MX record or an email address to a different provider, for example, yung email niya is na kay public domain registry, pag change mo si name servers, guys, hindi nagagana yung email niya na binili niya kay public domain registry. And that's very critical, guys. Do not do that, okay? The first thing that you need to ask your customer or your client is, do you have any products connected to this company? Ganon. So, paano po yun, coach? Paano ko po mako-connect pa din yung domain name even though may email siya kay public domain registry? Paano po kapag gusto niya talaga na kay Quick Pro yung website niya, or paano ko po i-connect to ngayon? Guys, that's okay. You can just leave the name servers the way it is, okay, para gumana pa din yung email niya. And the only way for you to connect your domain name to your website, sa website na create mo, for example dito, okay, i-change mo yung A-record, okay? So, yan na yung sinasabi kong DNS, okay? And A-record stands for website, guys. Website's record. Alright? Ang ibibigay mo lang, guys, na record kay customer, sabihin mo, that's okay. Even though your website or your email is with public registry, we can still connect your domain name to our company, which is Quick Pro, okay? All you need to do, kamo, is to point your A-record to this IP address, guys. Automatic na yan, guys. Kapag ka-change ni registrar yung A-record dito, okay, pag change na to, ibig sabihin, magko-connect na yan agad kay Quick Pro sa IP address na ito. And as mentioned a while ago doon sa DNS, how does it work, okay, nag-create or nababasa ng internet ang domain name mo kapag ka nakakonect siya sa specific IP address. Still following, guys. Ganon mag-work ang domains. And of course, you need to add on the domain names here, okay? So, ganon ka mag-host ng domain names. How would you know, guys? How would you know if nabago na ni customer yung IP address? There is a tool for you to check, which is digweb interface. Or hindi na lang, what's my DNS na lang. What's my DNS.net. This is a tool, guys, for you to check if na-change na ba ni customer mo yung IP address. Nagsasabi ba siya ng totoo? Na-change mo na ba talaga yung domain name, yung IP address mo? Okay? So, kapag tinawagan mo yung si client mo na i-change yung IP address, dito mo makikita yun. To-type mo lang yung domain, guys. Okay? So, what's my DNS? To-type mo lang yung domain. And makikita mo dito ngayon sa gilid niya, A-record, MX record, C-name, guys, nandito na lahat si DNS. I-select mo lang kung anong record yung binago niya and click on search. Okay? Once you click on search, may magpapakitang IP address dito. So, tama ba yung IP address na to sa A-record niya dito sa IP address ng cPanel mo? Okay? If not, then the website will not work. Okay? Unless the IP address is correct. So, critical yan, guys. If the IP address is incorrect to your A-record, magkakaroon ka ng problema dyan. Hindi gagana ang website mo, okay? And kapag ka nakita mo na may X mark ang IP address dito, even though correct naman yung DNS na nilagay mo, ibig sabihin hindi pa siya nag-propagate. Kasi ang propagation niya is 24 to 48 hours once you change the record, okay? So, eto yung tool, guys, for you to know if na-change na ba ni customer yung kanyang IP address. Okay.
IP address.
Yes. So, next scenario, what if si customer, yung website niya nakakonect sa atin, pero bumili siya ng email kay GoDaddy. Ano dapat yung papalitan niyang record?
Email.
Yung MX record, yes. So, MX record pertains to email, as mentioned. And you need to know what is the MX record. So, for example, guys, yung MX, di ba yung email create niya kay GoDaddy, may ibibigay lang si GoDaddy or may ibibigay lang yung customer mo na MX record na you need to enter on your editor or dito sa zone editor, which you can manage on your own cPanel. Okay? So, ang mangyayari niyan, guys, okay, i-change mo lang dito si MX record, okay, for example dito, i-change mo lang si MX record to their own MX record, okay? So, other scenario, guys, eto, i-change mo lang si MX record sa, for example, Google, or let me show you an example of MX record ng Google, Google MX record. Si customer mo nag-create ng email kay Google. Google MX Records. Ito yung magiging MX record ng Google. So, masasanay din kayo guys. Just familiarization lang. Okay. So, ito yung example ng MX record ng Google. It's very long. Okay. Kita nyo to? Ito yung values ng MX record ng G Suite. Compare mo dun sa cPanel. Isang record yung cPanel, di ba? Ito lang yung MX record ng email ng cPanel eh. Isang record lang talaga siya. Mail.yourdomain name. Pero kapag ka Google, ito yung comparison. Kapag ka ginamit mo si email accounts ng Quick Pro, ito yung magiging MX record mo, okay? So, example ng email na ginawa ko is, hold on, let me just show you. Nag-create ako ng email kay Quick Pro. And this is what it looks like. I'll go back to my cPanel. Okay. Nag-create ako ng email kay Quick Pro, which is admin. Ito, admin@jetchapche.com. Okay, gumagana to kasi naka-point siya sa tamang MX record. Ito yung MX record ko. MX record priority. Ayan. Tapos, ang MX niya is jetchapche.com. So, tama yan. Okay, compare mo sa MX record ng G Suite, ang dami. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5 na MX record. Dapat to naka-add yan lahat sa DNS record mo. So, that's the comparison between each email provider, guys. Kahit sino pa yan, kahit GoDaddy pa yan, kahit Google pa yan, kahit HostGator pa yan, may kanya-kanya silang MX record, okay? All you need to do is to point it on the right place, okay? Still following?
Yes po.
Okay, very good. Now, guys, alright, so it's already 9:38. And that's the different scenarios on how you can host host your client's IP address or their own website or kung may sarili silang domain, okay? Okay, any questions about this DNS records para mas ma-explain ko pa sa inyo?
Coach, question po.
Go ahead po.
So, they'll be the one dapat to change the IP address. If they don't know po or if they don't know how or kita na lang mismo mag troubleshoot sa kanila or how does that work?
So, for example, ang client mo is si toolfix.com o yung may-ari ng Toolfix. Hold on, let's yun na yung ating example dito. So, ang example natin, ang client mo ay si toolfix.com. Hindi niya alam na ni-register niya yung domain niya or paano i-update yung A record or yung IP address. Yes, you can do it on your end. Okay, but you need to get the login credentials on this website, yung public domain registry. Kasi pag pinuntahan mo si public domain registry, may sarili silang website. And may sarili silang login credentials. Kapag ka nag-register ka ng domain name sa kanila, bibigyan ka rin nila ng login credentials. So, you need to ask your client on their login credentials. Ma'am, ako na po gagawa. Bahala na, ako na po bahala. Parang ganon. So, pwede dito magre-register ka. Ganon. Tapos, pero of course, you need permission. Tsaka, you need to ask your customer as well. Kasi may mga verification method yan, di ba? Like, on HostGator, may verification method. Sa amin, ang verification method namin, magsisend kami ng email sa email address on file. Parang ito, magsisend kami ng email address, ng email dito, tapos you need to reply. Parang ganon. So, you need to ask for those login credentials pag di niya alam.
Thank you po.
Yes. So, any other questions, guys? Sa mga newbie dyan, it's time for you to, ask questions. So, while,
Coach,
go ahead po.
yeah, may mga scenarios ka ba na alam na hindi nagiging successful yung ganyan paminsan-minsan?
You mean, yung yung pag-edit ng DNS records?
Ay, hindi. Sorry. Yung, kunyari, may customer ako na gusto niyang ilipat yung or i-point yung domain niya sa QuickPro kasi expired na yung niya, posting niya sa kabila.
Okay.
Opo. May anong mga scenario ba yung hindi pwedeng malipat?
Okay. So, may mga different scenarios dyan. What if, tama po, ang good question po, what if si customer gusto na niyang lumipat ng web hosting company? Dati siya kay HostGator, but sabi niya, HostGator is too much. It's too expensive. I would like to change my web hosting company. Ang gagawin, unang tatanungin mo kay customer, do you have a existing website with HostGator? Gusto mo bang mag-start over na talagang wala, start from scratch na wala, kumbaga, ikaw na mismo ang magka-create ng website, or gusto mo lang i-move yung content mo or yung website content mo into a different web hosting company na mas mura. So, those are two questions that you need to ask your customer. So, one answer, okay? Kapag ka sinabi niyang, I would like to start fresh, I would like you to create my website, okay? Ang gusto ko lang ay, bigyan mo ko ng magandang website, babayaran kita. And in that way, guys, ang una mong gagawin, tanungin mo, meron ka pa bang domain? Ano pa ba? Nag-expire na ba yung domain name mo or hindi pa? So, pag sinabi niyang hindi pa, i-double check mo, guys. Kasi, mamaya nagsisinungaling siya. Parehas pa lang nag-expire yung web hosting niya tapos yung domain name niya. As mentioned nga, guys, di ba, dalawa yung product mo, web hosting tsaka domain. Para makita mo kung expired na ba siya, pupunta ka sa whois.com, i-check mo dito, expires on. Ayan. Okay, meron na siyang date, kailan niya in-update, kailan mag-expire yung domain name niya, okay? Pag sinabi niyang it will expire, I think, on November, okay, very good, that's still up, we can still create a website with your domain name, but you need to renew it every year, ganon. Palitan mo lang yung name server. We just have to change the name server kamo, i-point mo lang kay QuickPro, okay? So, yun yung unang scenario. Tapos, pangalawang scenario is, di ba, unang scenario is start over. Pangalawang scenario, what if my website, si customer doon, gusto niya lang i-move kay QuickPro? You need to do a migration, guys. Yun na yung tinatawag na migration from one cPanel to another. Na-discuss ko na yung migration, okay, into sa YouTube video ko, the past class ko. So, just visit my YouTube video or what did I miss class. Malalaman nyo dun paano mag-migrate ng website or paano mag-backup and restore ng website. So, ang gagawin nyo lang, since you are, you would like to move your website from one web hosting company to another, I would suggest, sabihin nyo, na back up your website or let me back up the website for you and then I will move it to QuickPro. Yun na yun. Kasama na yung email doon or etc. And then, once done, okay, once na migrate mo na, guys, pwede mo nang i-change yung name server. Do not change the name server during migration kasi pagka-change mo yung name server, hindi gagana na yung website niya. Okay, for example, guys, si savetybooks.com, okay, hold on. Let me just give you an example sa mga scenario ng mga customer nyo. Si savetybooks.com is my client's domain name, okay? He has a website and I would like to transfer it over to QuickPro. May existing website si savetybooks.com, okay? Ayan, may existing website siya. Okay? Just leave it on or just leave it the way it is, including yung name server niya, guys. Dapat gumagana pa din siya while you migrate, okay? Dapat gumagana siya, tama yung name server niya, nakapoint pa din sa old web hosting niya, hanggang sa ma-backup mo na siya, hanggang sa ma-migrate mo siya. Once na na-migrate mo siya, okay, saka mo ma-change yung name servers. Coach question, what if paano ko malalaman kung tama ba yung binack-up ko, kung tama ba yung pag-migrate ko, paano ko malalaman kung ginawa ko ba yung tama. May tool tayo na tinatawag guys na host.cx. Host.cx, okay? This is really helpful guys. So for example, si host.cx, yung domain name na toolfix.com, or for example, ang customer mo ay mayroong website na toolfix.com, okay? Yung toolfix.com. And then, ima-migrate mo sa'yo, di ba? May existing website siya. Ang existing website niya ay, basta yung parang ito, may existing website siya. Ngayon, i-add mo siya dito para magawan mo siya ng website. I-add mo siya dito sa add-on domains sa cPanel mo. Okay, let's just go back here. Okay, let's go back to your, without changing the name servers guys ha, kapag kahinayaan mo lang siya. Without changing the name servers, may existing website si toolfix.com sa ibang client. Let's go to your cPanel and add on domain. Okay, i-add mo si toolfix.com, ayan. And then, installan natin siya ng WordPress. Magsisimula na tayo guys. Installan natin siya ng WordPress. Pupunta tayo ngayon kay cPanel mo. Okay, kay cPanel. And then, installan natin ng WordPress. Createan natin siya ng website. So, I'll go to quick installs. Okay. Follow this guys ha. This is really helpful sa inyo for you to migrate. Okay. Okay, now, it's loading. I'll install a WordPress. Kahit hindi ko pagmamayari yung domain, i-installan ko siya ng WordPress. Okay. Paano gagana to kung yung name server niya hindi nakapoint sa atin. So, ito. Gagawan ko siya ng website ha. Toolfix.com. Hold on. Ito siya. Water break. Hold on. Okay. So, meron na siya dito. Mag-a-appear siya. Pag in-add on domain mo siya, guys, mag-a-appear siya dito. Sa-select ko lang yung domain. Yung path, hayaan ko lang siya dyan. Yung email ko, gagamitin ko yung email address ko na admin@jechapche.com. Yung blog title ko, just a test website. Just a test website. Tapos, admin user ko is admin. Tapos, first name ko, Charina. Last name, Acquar. Okay. So, hindi ko pagmamayari yung domain, ba't ko ini-installan ng WordPress? Paano gagana to? So, I'll give you an example. Okay, in-installan ko siya ng WordPress kahit hindi ko pagmamayari. Alright, so this is how you will do a migration. So, for example, yung toolfix.com may existing website siya, as mentioned, right? Tapos, i-migrate mo na siya dito kay QuickPro. So, i-installan mo siya ng WordPress kung saan ka pwedeng mag-create ng website. Kukunin mo yung password. Okay, ayan. Mag-login tayo ngayon. I-search natin to. Ito guys, ito yung magiging itsura niya. Ito yung magiging website niya. Okay, so search natin ngayon. Ito siya. Tingnan natin kung gagana. Gagana ba siya? Hindi. There you go. Hindi siya gumana. Kasi nga, dahil hindi nakapoint yung name server kay QuickPro. What if, paano ko pa din siya papaganahin kahit na kay QuickPro siya? Ay, kahit na yung name server niya hindi sa atin. Kasi coach, sabi mo kanina, migration, di ba? So, sabi mo sa migration, hindi pwedeng pakialaman ni customer yung website niya kapag magmamigrate siya. Dapat nakapoint yung name server niya sa dati niyang web hosting company. Paano ko siya kakreatan ng website using his domain? Okay? That's the first step that you need to do. Installan mo siya ng sarili niyang WordPress without pointing the name servers to you. How can you use it? So, dyan na pumapasok ngayon si host.cx. Okay? Pupunta ka kay host.cx, guys, na website, alright? And then, itatype in mo dito si toolfix.com. Sorry, password pala yan. Toolfix.com. Sorry, toolfix.com. Tapos, itatype natin yung IP address mo dito. Ika-copy natin yung IP address mo kay QuickPro. Ito. Saan na ba yun? Ito. Ayan. Server address is your IP address to QuickPro kung saan ka gagamit ng extra or parang kumbaga lang siya, kumbaga cover up lang siya. Okay, tatype mo dito yung IP address ni QuickPro, click mo si I'm not a robot. Okay, I-click mo si I'm not a robot, patunayan mo lang na hindi ka robot, and then click on get testing URL. Now, magbibigay yan ng gantong URL link. Okay? Pagka-click mo ng URL link, guys, ito yung magpapakita ngayon. Okay? Magkakaroon ka na ng WordPress using the domain name itself. Pwede kang mag-login ngayon. I-click mo lang yung login na to. Okay? Kakopy mo lang tong password na ginawa mo. Guys, kakopy mo lang yan. Tapos, ita-type in mo lang WP login. Ayan, admin. Tapos, meron ka ng password. Tapos, login. Yan na. So, magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong dashboard kay WordPress. Even though the website is, the name servers is not pointed to HostGator or the IP address is not pointed with QuickPro. So, yan. Functioning WordPress, di ba? Ganyan ka magma-migrate. So, for example, guys, tapos mo na yung website, okay? Ay, tapos ko nang gawan tapos ko nang gawan yung client ko ng website, okay? Na-migrate ko na siya. Ano na kayang next na gagawin ko? Ang next na gagawin mo, guys, is for you to just change the name servers. Doon ka na mag-change ng name servers. Once na pinoint mo si name servers kay QuickPro, okay, doon sa cPanel mo, automatic na yan, gagana na yung website pointing to the IP address of your website na create mo dito sa cPanel mo. Kasi guys, every inch dito, every email, every website, nakapoint yan sa mismong IP address na to. At sabi nga dun sa DNS kanina, every name, okay, madedetect lang yan using this IP address or using IP addresses. Kaya, bahala na si internet na gumawa ng way for them to read it. Ganyan mag-migrate and ganyan tulungan yung mga customer mo on how you can provide
Coach,
them information.
clarify ko lang.
Sure po.
Ay, yung itong pinaglalagyan natin, itong cPanel na to, ito yung pag-aari ng customer na pagmamigratein mo sa QuickPro. Tama po ba?
Hindi, ito yung oo, tama ka.
Tama,
Ito yung binili mo para kay customer na gagamitin niya for QuickPro.
Tapos imamigrate mo
I-migrate.
dito.
Yes. So, depende sa'yo kung gagamitin mo ba yung sarili mong QuickPro na cPanel or gagawan mo siya ng sarili niyang cPanel. So, it depends.
So basically, coach, ang mangyayari is, kunyari, mauuna muna yung pag-purchase niya ng website sa QuickPro bago niya i-migrate.
Exactly. Yes, correct po yan. So, he needs to, dapat, okay, si
Yung
customer.
domain po, coach, yung domain,
Okay.
paano yung domain name po?
Yung domain name dapat nag-i-exist na siya. Tatanungin mo si customer. Yung scenario natin kanina, 'di ba? Si
Apa,
toolfix.com, naka-host siya kay, for example, HostGator.
HostGator.
Mag-e-expire na yung website niya kay HostGator. Ngayon, yung domain name niya mag-e-expire sa November. So, pati yung web hosting niya mag-e-expire sa November. So, may time ka pa para i-back up at saka ilipat yung content niya into your cPanel. Pero, offeran mo muna si customer, of course. Gusto mo ba ng sarili mong cPanel or gusto mo ba createan lang kita ng website? So, pag sinabi niyang createan lang kita ng website, of course, i-provide mo ba yung cPanel login mo? Or bibigyan mo siya ng sarili niyang cPanel. Kasi kapag ka nag-share kayo ng cPanel, paano niya i-manage yung business niya? Para saan ba yung website niya? So, yun yung mga factor na tatanungin mo. Para saan ba tong website mo? Para sa business mo? So, kung para sa business niya, kailangan niya magkaroon ng sarili niyang cPanel. And you need to offer him the 2,999 pesos. Okay? Bago ka mag-migrate, of course.
I see. Okay. Pero coach, isa pa pong tanong, sorry.
Sure lang po.
Kunya, kasi sabi mo, di ba, kung gusto mo, ikaw na lang mag-ano ng domain niya. So, ang mangyayari, kunyari, may domain name ako, magiging subdomain siya, ganun?
Hindi, magiging domain talaga siya. Add-on domain siya, kumbaga. Gusto mo ba?
Add-on domain.
Kasi may...
Coach, paano po ba gawin yun? Yung maggumawa ng add-on domain? Kasi ang alam ko lang, mag-add ng subdomain.
Ito,
So,
yung...
you mean, sa QuickPro, pwede pala ako mag-add ng isa pang domain?
Yes, I think so. Ewan ko, depende sa plan nyo kay Quick Pro. Kasi yung plan ko, pwede ako mag-add-on ng domain. All you need to do, guys, if for example, yung plan mo kay Quick Pro, pwede kang mag-add ng multiple domains. Dito sa cPanel, may option dito na sinasabing add-on domain. Okay, dito ko in-add-on yung domain name ko. Ayan, may saved iBooks ako, tsaka in-add-on ko si Toolfix, even though I do not own it. Okay, si Save iBooks, ito yung add-on domain name ko. Hindi, question coach, bakit hindi nagpapakita si jetchapche.com? Hindi siya nagpapakita kasi siya yung primary domain name ko. Etong mga to, add-on domain lang siya. Kumbaga, binili ko siya sa iba. Ang may-ari ng savedibooks.com, guys, is HostGator. Dito ko binili yung domain name ko. Kay HostGator. Ayan, may kita nyo dito. Ay, kay Launchpad. Yan. Tapos pinoint ko lang siya kay Quick Pro. Gets?
Ay, po-point mo lang kay Quick Pro.
Yes.
Coach, kunyari, meron akong yung domain name ko, bibilin ko rin lang ba yun? Or kunyari ganito, yung scenario ko is ganito. Kunyari, meron akong, kunyari, may business ako, print on demand, kunyari. Diba? So, yung print on demand ko, kunyari, print on demand, tapos yung pangalan ko, .com. Pwede kong ilagay yun dito sa, sa ad domain ko?
Yes, pwede. Basta kasama yun sa plan mo. Kay Quick Pro ata pwede kasi ganyan pare-parehas lang tayo. Pwede mong i-add-on domain, multiple domain name, guys. Kasi sabi dito kay yes. Iba ang subdomain sa domain name, ha? Subdomain name, as mentioned, subdomain name is parang yung ginawa ko dito na e-commerce.jetchapche.com, subdomain to.
Opo, yung may file extension.
There you go,
name
yes.
extension.
So, iba si add-on domain kay subdomain name, alright?
So, coach, ang mangyayari, kung kunyari, ganun lang ang gagawin mo, hindi na ako necessarily bibili ng isa pang website sa Quick Pro, but instead, yung domain name lang ang bibilin ko, ganun?
Yes. Correct.
Okay.
Papoint mo lang yung name servers.
Tapos i-add domain ko siya doon sa cPanel ko.
Correct. Magpapakita na siya doon.
Okay.
Pwede mo na siyang createan ng email. Kagaya dito, sa, di ba may add-on domain name ako? Tignan mo dito. Pag mag-create ako ng another email, okay, ganito gagawin mo. Hold on. Create. Click mo yung create. Okay. Tapos magpapakita dito kung anong domain name. Ayan o. Click mo lang yung drop down. O, saan yung domain name na gagamitin mo? Si subdomain ba? O si toolfix.com? Si savedibooks.com? Ayan. Pwede ko na siyang createan ng sarili kong email. So, it's like a whole new website, a whole new name, pero same cPanel. So, that's how you can do it in Quick Pro.
Coach, there's no need for so for that one, coach, kung may if you want to buy another website, yun po.
On Quick Pro po?
Isa lang po. Oo.
Kay Quick Pro, pwede ka kasing bumili ng mismong cPanel na, di ba? Sa loob ng cPanel, pwede kang mag-add ng multiple domains. Hindi ko alam kung hanggang ilan, pero pwede nyong tanungin si Sir William or ano. Hindi ko siya masyadong kabisado kung ilang domain ba yung kaya mong dito, i-add. Pero as sa akin, may isa pa akong domain, kagaya nito savedibooks.com, in-add-on domain ko lang siya. Gumana naman siya. So, ibig sabihin, pwede kayong mag-add-on domains, hindi lang subdomain names.
Hello, Coach.
Yes po.
Yung pong, itong scenario na sinasabi niyo, Coach, I think this was my parang sentiments last month or I think this month. Because the domain name that I had, I wasn't aware. Nalagay ko kasi yung parang, I had my first name on it. And I wish to use it as a, parang maganda siyang business account. Kaso nga lang, I am not very confident with the domain name. How do I go about it pag gusto kong gawan siya ng domain name? Kailangan ko siyang makita doon sa package na meron ako sa cPanel or I email directly sa Quick Pro Manager or kanino po tayo dadaan? Doon pa rin sa chat work or...
May sarili na po ba kayong cPanel?
Meron po.
Tas may ibang domain name kayo?
Doon sa cPanel ko kasi bronze account, silver account, so meron siya yung my own domain name. Tapos, nung kasi nag-submit ako, I wasn't aware how important it is. Parang, hindi ko kasi siya parang pinagtuunan ng pansin. So I wasn't very
Ah.
confident right now with the domain name I had. So gusto ko kasi siyang gawing business website, pero hindi ko gusto talaga yung domain name eh. Kaya na-stuck ako ngayon. So I wanted to create
Another
another domain
domain.
name.
Okay.
Oo. Yung sinasabi niyo po, makikita mo siya dito sa add-on domains. Makikita ba yan dito sa on my own account pag binuksan ko? Nakalagay ba dyan or mag-i-email pa rin ako directly to anyone po?
So, kay Quick Pro kasi, ang scenario ng kay Quick Pro, ang domain name ay kasama na sa 2,999, tama po. Isang domain lang yon. Kaya kasama yun ni Quick Pro, I think, binibigay ni Quick Pro yung domain name for free. Pero, for example, sabi nyo nga, hindi kayo masyadong confident doon sa domain name na nabili nyo. Pwede pa kayong bumili ng another domain, pero hindi na kay Quick Pro. Pwede kayong mag-request kay Quick Pro na about doon na gusto ko ng domain name para extra money sa kanila. Or pwede ka namang pumunta na sa GoDaddy, okay? GoDaddy or HostGator. I would recommend GoDaddy kasi mas mura sa GoDaddy, actually. Pag domain name lang, okay? So, for example po, hindi nga po kayo confident dun sa una nyong nabili. Bili kayo ng another one kasi hindi nyo pwedeng i-change yun. Kasi every domain name misspelled ba yan or kung ano-anong domain, kunwari, iyan lang yung tinype ko. Ibig sabihin, registered na yan, guys. Okay? Reseller lang to mga to. Offered lahat ng domain name dito. Kaya magkamali ka, wag kang magkakamali. Kasi guys, walang refund ang mga domain. Okay? So, kahit misspelled yan, tignan mo, kahit walang kakwenta-kwentang domain, may offer siya, di ba? So, ganun lang naman yung gagawin nyo po. Tatype nyo lang yung, for example, your first and last name. Patatype nyo lang po dito kung available siya. Tapos, bilhin nyo siya kay GoDaddy. Tapos, pag nabili nyo na po siya, may DNS siya, i-change nyo lang po yung name server. Eto, available po yung name nyo. Create lang kayo ng account kay GoDaddy.
Okay. Yung change of, yung ginawang example niyo po kanina, Coach, ganun lang yung magiging paraan ko na i-point ko yung IP address ko and so forth para yung itong name na to is pumasok pa rin doon sa, mag-migrate pa rin doon sa cPanel ko. Tama po ba yun? Pagkakaintindi ko?
Yes po. Pero yung migrate na word po is incorrect kasi migration is for content transfer. Pero
okay.
yes, pero para po ma-connect yung domain nyo into your cPanel, tama po yung idea nyo, ipo-point nyo lang po yung IP address or yung name servers. Hihingin nyo lang yung name servers kay Quick Pro. Or, pwede nyo, kung may existing website na kayo kay Quick Pro, gagayahin nyo lang, okay, gagayahin nyo lang yung kanyang DNS. So, ito guys, I'll give you an example. Let's go to digweb interface. This is another website for you to check what is the IP address of your name server. Kasi si Quick Pro gumagamit ng private name servers. Pag sinabing private name server, mahal yung binabayaran ni Quick Pro para magkaroon ng sariling IP, okay? Okay, I'll type in my domain name which is savedibooks.com. Okay, meron akong, okay, I'll give you an example ha. O-open ko yung dalawa, si whois.com at saka tong si digwebinterface.com, okay? Okay, this is the examples guys. Hold on. Load up ko lang silang dalawa. Okay, nakikita nyo yung difference, digweb interface and then whois. Let me type in savedibooks.com. Okay, follow nyo to guys ha. For you to check, para hindi na kayo pumunta kay Quick Pro, pag may sarili na kayong cPanel, sarili na kayong connected kay Quick Pro, copy nyo lang to, copy mo to, NS1. Okay, copy mo to, punta ka kay, or NS1, NS2, copy mo tong dalawa. Then, punta ka kay digweb. Okay, duramin mo to, tapos i-paste mo lang to. And then, yung type niya, change mo lang to a record. Kasi a record pertains to IP address of website, okay? A record, then dig.
Coach,
Ayan.
pwede mag-request.
Yes po. So, yan po yung IP address na kailangan nyong ipa-change kay Quick Pro. So, kung makikita nyo guys, si NS1 and NS2 magkaiba yung IP address. Coach, bakit po magkaiba? Kasi, kapag ka nag-fail to, pag nag-fail si IP address na to, pag sinabing nag-fail, ibig sabihin hindi siya gumana, may backup ka na isa pang IP address, which is yung 92. which is para ma-search pa din ng internet yung website mo. So, that's how name server works. Dalawa dapat siya, okay? Name server 1, name server 2. You just have to ask QuickPro for them to change the name servers of their website, or you can always PM me. Sabihin nyo lang sa akin sa chat work, Ma'am Cha, Coach Cha, pa-change ng name servers. Ito po yung IP address ng NS1, NS2 ko. Gets?
Coach,
Noted po,
pwede
Coach.
po
Thank you.
makain ng list ng kasi yung binigay mong alam mo, meron pa tayong whois, meron pa binigay na digweb. Opo, medyo na-overwhelm ako. Baka hindi ko maalala pag oras na kailangan.
Don't worry po, ibibigay ko. Ibibigay
vlog
ko po
ka?
yan.
Sige.
Wala, sa YouTube video ko lang po pero ko lang sa chat, okay
Sige,
lang po.
Coach, kahit sa description na lang kung meron ka.
Sige, sa description na lang, ipopost ko na lang after the description.
Yes, Coach, salamat po.
No problem.
Ma'am Cha, i-upload ba sa kan? What did I miss?
Sorry, ang lakas. ang lakas ng speaker mo. Nabingi ako doon.
Sorry.
Hindi, okay lang. Ano yung tanong mo?
Recorded ba daw po ito, Coach? Yun po yung tanong niya sa what did I miss po.
Recorded po siya. Ito po. 1 hour and 30 minutes. I-upload ko siya mamayang gabi. Pero sa YouTube ko na lang kayo
Thank you.
pumunta or sa What Did I Miss.
Yes po, sa subscribe namin lahat ng YouTube mo.
Thank you. Sige, doon. Kapag may request kayo, sabihan nyo lang ako, tapos maggagawa ako ng video sa inyo. Pero syempre wala na yung mukha ko, kumbaga na lang. Audio na lang. Kasi ito na yung last class ko, guys last class ko.
Coach, tutuloy ka ba talaga? I'm so happy nandito ka ngayon.
Thank you guys. Huwag niyo akong
Tutuloy
paiyakin.
ka, Coach.
Oo.
Feeling mo
Iyak
talaga,
naman ako,
Coach.
Grabe naman kayo.
For growth naman ni Coach yun.
Oo. Pero
Pwede naman part-time, Coach, para lang maturuan mo kami. Huwag mo kaming
Pabalik-balik ka lang, Coach. Parang special guest ka.
special guest,
Oo.
pwede naman, guys. Pero I cannot promise, but chat nyo na lang ako, okay? Makikipag-communicate pa rin naman ako sa inyo sa chat work. Tapos pagka may request kayo, gawa po kayo ng video about blog, about sa buhay nyo, ganun. Tapos magaganon-ganon na ako mga
busy ka.
mga lipstick. Gagayahin ko na sa yung tipong gaganon ni slide lang, meron na. Pero
Coach, question.
sige po.
May question po. Yung ginawa natin kanina kay toolfix.com,
Apo.
may effect ba yun? Mararamdaman ba yun ng website owner
Hindi.
na ginamit natin siya?
Hindi
Or
niya mararamdaman.
is there a way, protected ba yung website? Walang pwedeng mangyari sa kanya?
Wala naman po. Kasi as long as yung IP address ay hindi naka-point kay QuickPro, wala lang yun sa atin. Kumbaga, pang-practice lang natin siya. Yes, pwede kang mag-create ng website pa din using this, but you cannot use it on the internet. For example, sinearch nila si toolfix.com, wala silang makikitang website. Pero ikaw, may nakikita ka sa end mo kapag ka ginamit mo si host.cx. Pag gagamitin nyo si host.cx, guys, okay? Pag ginamit nyo si host.cx, every time na gagamitin nyo si toolfix.com, panibagong URL yon, hindi nyo pwedeng gamitin yung same URL na ibibigay ni host.cx every time that you would like to edit a website using a different domain name. Kumbaga proxy lang siya. Okay, yung idea niya is hollow lang kumbaga na website. Talagang wala lang, pang-practice lang kumbaga. Ayan, pag sinearch ko na naman si toolfix.com, iba na naman yung iba na naman yung ibibigay niyang URL. So, ganyan na naman siya. Ayan, every time na tapos lagyan nyo lang siya wp-admin, kumbaga. Ayan, parang whole website talaga siya. Ang ganda, diba, ng host.cx. Ay, mali pala yung edit.
Okay, so kahit Coach galaw-galawin siya, walang problem dun sa original. Kasi
Wala.
naisip ko, baka it's one way of parang na-hack yung website.
Wala
So
po.
hindi naman. Safe siya.
Kasi every domain name has its own IP address. Sabi ko nga po, kapag kasi toolfix.com may IP address na connected sa website niya, ang i-read niya, syempre, yung IP address na nako-connect sa website ni toolfix.com. Kagaya po nito, pag sinearch natin si toolfix.com, kay digweb, tas A-record, di ba? Ito yung magpapakitang IP address. Ayan. Which is, wala naman siyang ginawang website dito sa IP address na to. Pero sabi ko nga po sa inyo, wala po yun. Itong ginawa natin na to, for migration purposes or for migration purposes or practice website, kumbaga, kahit anong domain name ilagay nyo dyan, sige, ilagay nyo sa cPanel nyo, tapos, gawa kayo ng host.cx, ganon. Okay lang yun. Okay lang yun. Hindi kayo nag-hack. Wala kayong ginagawang against the law.
Thank you, Coach.
Coach, question. Yung sa host.cx, pwede pong gamitin yun, halimbawa, para magde-design lang muna kami.
Pwede yun. Pero kailangan nyo ng sarili nyong cPanel para makapag-create.
Kapag, halimbawa, meron ako sa Quick Pro, tapos yun yung gagamitin kung yung sa shared IP address.
Okay.
May limit po ba yun?
Wala.
Kung ilang, wala. So,
Basta
kung halimbawa, magpapakita kami ng design sa client, pwede siyang, halimbawa, i-walk through namin si client na ito yung magiging design ng website mo.
Yes, that's the purpose of host.cx. Good question. Yun ang purpose talaga ni host.cx. Para ma-present nyo yung website na ginawa nyo using yung hollow na domain name na nilagay nyo using your own IP address. So, yun talaga yung purpose nun. Makikita nyo yung website.
Coach, sa experience nyo po, pwede nyo ba kami mabigyan ng kahit range kung magkano namin sisingalin si client kung halimbawa kasama na yung web design saka yung host?
Siguro ang masasuggest ko lang yung ibang estudyante, yung may talagang experience na when it comes to selling. Kasi ako wala akong experience when it comes to selling a website eh. Si Ma'am sino po ba yung dito nagbebenta ng website? Ma'am Beth, nagbenta na po ba kayo ng website? Or Ma'am Kathleen?
Ako po, hindi pa.
Later po. Not yet.
Okay.
Magbebenta sana, Coach. Ngayon nga lang, yung name ko kasi, natag kasi doon sa domain name. Kaya parang nakakajahi po. Pag binigay mo siya sa iba, tapos nandun yung pangalan ko, parang, anyway.
Okay.
Ang bronze
Ito,
po kasi ako.
pwede
Coach.
nyong gamitin na yung host.cx, di ba? Kuha kayo ng sarili nyong tapos doon na kayo mag-create.
Sige po. Thank you po.
Coach, question.
Sure po.
Sa Quick Pro po, can you please go to the MySQL databases? I want to see how many database that we can create.
As long as you want, basta yung disk usage na hindi nakaka-apekto. Ayan, ito na yung mga na-create kong database. Madami na actually. Kasi every domain name, subdomain name, nagre-create yan ng databases. Pero just to give you an example, ayan lahat ng databases ko.
Okay. So, kasi based on my understanding po, sabi ni Coach Madge, when you purchase the 2999 hosting, is you will only have one domain. Now, based on our discussion, just a clarification as well, did you say that we can create multiple domain names using the add-on?
Yes, Coach.
Oo. Ang alam ko kasi pwede kasi pwede sa akin bronze din yung account ko. Pwede, nakapag-add-on ako. Pero kung baka malagot ako, hindi ko alam.
Sabi kasi ni Sir Madge, sabi niya, sa OBM lang kasi yan. Sabi niya. So, ngayon, nag-idea kami.
Okay.
Oo, sa OBM siya meron. Pero yun yung OBM yung bronze.
Actually guys,
silver OBM.
Actually guys, sa dedicated server pwede silang mag-add ng sarili nilang package. Malilimit nila 'yon. Kumbaga, ito lang yung hold on, let me just place you on mute. Let me discuss to you. Hold on. Okay. So, every package kasi, ang idea kasi ni Quick Pro is providing you the cPanel with affordable price, 'di ba? Nakakapag-create sila ng sarili nilang package like HostGator may sariling package. Tapos ililimit ka lang sa 1 domain, 2 domains, 3 domains, ganon. Siguro sa akin, dahil coach ako, pwede akong mag-add ng multiple domain. But you can try on your end. Hindi ko kasi kabisado actually kung ano yung package nyo kay Quick Pro. So I'm really sorry guys, baka mamaya malagot ako dito, last day ko na nga eh. Tapos sabi ko lagot.
Coach, question. Yung po bang subdomain, meron din siyang DNS?
Yes po, yun yung CNAME na tinatawag. So, yun yung sinabi ko po kanina dito. Wait lang, papakita ko po sa inyo. Tatype ko si jechapche.com. Jechapche.com. E-commerce.jechapche.com. Diba? Yun yung subdomain ko po, diba? E-commerce.jechapche.com. Ayan, tas may A-record din po siya. May sarili siyang A-record which is yung A-record ko kay QuickPro, mag-automatic na po yan na meron siyang subdomain. Ipapakita ko po sa inyo dito sa cPanel. Pag pumunta ako sa cPanel, tapos isa-search ko kung ano yung DNS record ko sa subdomain name ko, pupunta ako sa Zone Editor. Pagdating ko sa Zone Editor po, punta ako kay jetchapche.com, ma-manage ko lang siya. Tapos makikita ko na po dito, and subdomain name pertains I think to the CNAME or A-record. Ito, jetchapche. Search natin si e-commerce. Ito, WP, ayan, may sariling website to. So, A-record din po siya. Tapos nakakonect sa subdomain. Tapos, ano pa? Andito pa ata yung e-commerce. Ito, test.jetchapche.com. Subdomain din po to. So, gagawin nyo po, pag kunwari si customer, for example, nag-create ng subdomain, tapos pupoint niya kay QuickPro, lang po, kunin nyo lang yung, gawin nyo lang po tong record na to. IP address kunin nyo kay QuickPro, tapos yung tapos yung test. Yung mismong website. Na po yan. Gagana na po yan. So, that's the magic of DNS. For example, nakapag-search na kayo or nakakuha na kayo ng site can't be reached. Site can't be reached na na website. Ibig sabihin, hindi nakapoint yung DNS record nyo na maayos.
Thank you, Coach.
Okay, Coach. So, ibig po ba sabihin, you can have different what do you call this, DNS for subdomain, and let's say for example for my domain name, I can have Cloudflare as a server, and for my subdomain name I can have the GoDaddy.
Yes, exactly. You can do that as long as the name servers are pointed correctly. Or sorry, not name servers, just the A-record are pointed correctly. That's okay. So sabi dito, own unlimited pages and subdomains. So unlimited naman yung subdomains na makre-create nyo. For the domain name, I'm not really sure. So I'm really sorry kung di ko masasagot yung tanong nyo about domain names, okay? Or yung add-on domain sa cPanel.
Coach, question lang po. Yung subdomain po ba, pwede mo siyang, can you make it appear like, kunyari, ipopost mo lang siya? Pwede bang parang, kasi kunyari, meron akong business. Diba, kunyari yung POD, tapos POD dot, yung website ko, yung website extension ko. Pwede bang, pag tinype nila yung, kunyari, yung print on demand lang, maano yung ma-expression.
Mare-redirect siya sa main domain name po
yes,
niya.
Coach. Yes, Coach.
Okay.
Para alam mo yung Bitly. Diba yung Bitly?
Tapos magre-redirect sa ibang website. Yes, you can do that actually. cPanel is really magical. Pupunta ka sa cPanel lang po. Tapos, dito sa cPanel mo, makikita nyo po dito si redirects. Ayan. So, search nyo lang po dito si redirects. Redirects. Nasaan na siya? Iko-control F ko na lang po. Redirects. Directs. Ayan, ito po si redirects. So, for example, gusto ko pong si Save Die Books, ipupunta ko po, i-redirect ko po si Save Die Books kay jetchapche. So, itatype nyo po, for example, si toolfix.com pala. Si toolfix.com, hindi pala siya gagana kasi wala sa atin si name servers. Okay, so si jetchapche or for example
si e-commerce,
okay, si ecommerce.com, i-redirect ko kay jetchapche.com. Ayan, so HTTPS. So search natin yung mismong yung kasama yung HTTPS. Search mo muna yung website, for example, okay. Tapos kakopy mo yung mismong URL kasi dapat i-copy mo yung mismong URL. Okay, kakopy mo lang to. Ayan, kakopy mo na yan together with yung HTTPS niyan. Okay, paste mo lang dito. Okay, paste mo lang dyan. Tapos, redirect with or without www. So, yan yung i-click mo. Kasi, pag sinabing www, kailangan pang i-type in ng customer mo yung www. Kaya, dapat redirect with or without lang. And then, click on add. Tapos, mga after to 15 to 30 minutes or medyo mga 24 hours minsan, gagana na siya. So, ganyan lang. Yes. So, ganyan lang mag-redirect. Okay, so tatanggalin ko na yung ginawa ko, okay?